Ibotta keeps your account activity inside the app, which means you can review your cashback progress, completed earnings, and payment details without searching through old emails or receipts. By the end, you'll know where to find your Ibotta payment history, what information you can review, and what to check if a payment detail does not look correct. The first step is opening the Ibotta app and signing into your account. Your payment information is connected to the account you used when earning cash back. Start by checking the account or profile section inside the app. Look for areas related to earnings, withdrawals, payments, or account activity. Your payment history helps you review past transactions and understand where your cashback money came from. This is useful when you need to confirm whether a withdrawal was processed or check previous activity. The second section is understanding what to look for in your history. Check the date, amount, and status of any payment or withdrawal information shown. If you are checking because you did not receive money, compare the payment details in Ibotta with the withdrawal method connected to your account. Also check that your account information is current. Incorrect payment details or outdated account information can prevent problems from being resolved quickly. If your payment history does not show the information you expect, close and reopen the app first. Temporary app issues can prevent account details from loading correctly. Next, check for an available Ibotta app update through your device's app store. Keeping the app updated helps ensure you are using the latest version with current features. If the problem continues, contact Ibotta support through the app. Include details such as the payment date, the amount involved, and what information is missing from your account. Avoid creating duplicate requests for the same issue because it can make tracking the problem more difficult. Your payment history is also useful for keeping personal records. You can review completed cashback activity and confirm that your withdrawals match your expectations. To summarize, check Ibotta payment history from your account area, review payment dates and statuses carefully, and contact support if account information is missing or incorrect. Your next step is to open the Ibotta app, go to your account section, and review your payment activity directly. If this guide helped you find your Ibotta payment history, like the video and subscribe for more cashback app guides.